In this video, I'm training twice, going for an easy run, going for a leg workout, and I'm showing you exactly how I fuel properly to recover, perform, and create the body we want without counting any calories. So let's get into the video.
All right, so it's 8 a.m. We are going to eat our first meal, our breakfast. So I've packed everything inside my box because I'm working. I'm in the car and I'm on the road. I'm working. So I needed to pack. I prepared that the day before. I woke today at 5 a.m. and that's why I took this with me. Today we are doing a back-to-back running plus leg workout. Easy running plus leg workout. And for my first meal, I chose to eat some cornflakes. Can you see? Some cornflakes with some berries and some strawberries. And then I'm going to mix it up with some protein yogurt with some blueberry. All right. That's for now. That's for 8 a.m. I also took my... Can you guess what's inside? Can you smell it? No, you can't. It's coffee. It's almost done, but it's decaf. Why? Because in the early mornings, I don't have any place where I can go to the bathroom. And if I take just normal coffee, which I really like, I get a little too excited and then I can't go to the bathroom. So that's why I take decaf, just because I like coffee. And so I don't need to go to the bathroom very early in the morning or really fast after starting to work. Let's mix my food. I hope you can hear me correctly because I forgot my mic. So good. Some more yogurt. I'm at the parking lot somewhere because I needed to drop some things. Let's drive because we need to get going. So the reason why I chose to eat cornflakes with protein yogurt with fruits, it's because it gives me enough carbs, enough fueling for my workout, which will be in 2 hours, and the training will be around 2 hours as well. So a long training, a long intense training. The easy run is easy, but then I'm doing my leg workout back to back, and then it's heavy. So I need to fuel correctly. Cornflakes, fruits, and even the yogurt has enough carbs, but because it's a yogurt with protein, I also get protein, which will help me for building muscles, recover, and have proper fueling during my training, endurance and strength training. So that's the reason. And the other reason also why I choosing this today while I'm driving is because it's easy to pack. As you could see, it was easy to take with me. Yogurt, I mix it up and I can eat it really easily now that we are on traffic. So something else that maybe could work as well is, for example, some eggs, some delicious scrambled eggs with rice. I mean, not scrambled eggs itself, but I like to mix it up with rice because scrambled eggs, I don't like that. I don't know why. That's the only thing about eggs I don't like, or I like the least. But when mixing it up with rice, it's so simple, and that's the food that we always have at home, but it's so good. Carbs, protein. So yeah, I do that when I'm at home, but now I'm not at home. That's one thing, is that you possibly can make a mess in your car when eating. So try to be cautious. And then around 30 minutes before my training, I'm just eating a banana. Good energy before my training. During my training, I'm not gonna eat anything because I'm starting with an easy run, okay? And then for my strength training, I never really eat during my workouts. For I'm good enough. So yeah, it's important also for a day like today to really hydrate properly. I was forgetting that because we are sweating a lot. I do sweat a lot, so it's important to hydrate correctly. Take some electrolytes if possible. I'm making it easy. I do like to take sea salt with lemon. I prepare that the day before. I just place it in the kitchen, and then when I wake up, when I'm making the coffee, my decaf, I drink that. Easy to go. And then we will go. All right, so at around 1 p.m. I ate a lot of protein, as you saw, some cottage cheese, some meatballs, a lot of vegetables. I also ate like toasted bread or something like that with pesto and a little bit with hummus to have some carbs and some healthy fats, even though I know it's a lot of calories, but overall my plate wasn't very heavy, caloric dense, but a lot of protein, which is very important after workouts, and also a lot of carbs. But I eat more carbs at the end of the day because mostly when I eat at home with the family, we always eat rice. So that's why I don't like to put a lot of carbs during my lunch. Now it's around 3 p.m. So I'm eating some fruits. I'm almost eating the whole pack, but I'm going to stop because at 4 p.m. I'm also taking a protein shake. And done eating. As you saw, I ate some cordon bleu. I don't know if that's the right word in English, but you know what I mean, the good meat I had on my plate. Carbs, pasta I mean, some miced meat with in the bolognese sauce for spaghetti sauce. You know, we have some specific terms here in Belgium, so I like to use them. So it's really a balanced meal. It's always balanced at the end of the day. A lot of protein. I really focus on protein all the time, every day, all day. Sometimes more on carbs depending on my next day. If, for example, tomorrow I were to run a long run or something heavy in the morning, or even just during my day, I would eat a lot more carbs than I ate today. But since I was just recovering after my workout, I was just recovering from my long workout, which was easy run, 6 to 7K, a leg workout, which was really, really heavy. It was important for me to eat protein to recover better, you know? So I ate 2 cordon bleus. I repeated myself with a lot of, again, some miced meat because it was so good. And to be honest, normally I don't cook that, so it's not me. This time it was a mix between my girlfriend and her mom who made the food. And at home, at my home, it's someone else that also cooks the food. But I'm really happy. So thanks for the meals you prep for me. Normally I like to eat earlier before going to bed. Now it's like 9 p.m. so a little late, but I'm not complaining since I'm not cooking myself. I'm just referring and mentioning it. I like to eat like 2 hours before bed so I can sleep good and I can sleep earlier, and then I wake up early, I can do my workouts and just be happy. Hey, she got 1K on YouTube. Okay. And with this camera, you get like an old school vibe. Really nice. And to be honest, guys, okay, we are going to eat this delicious, show me, this delicious cupcake. Just for today, we can break the rules, you know. Do as I say and not as I do. Something like that. What I mean by that is you shouldn't be eating at 9 p.m. some cupcakes because, yeah, there is nothing beneficial about that. But if you have a healthy, balanced meal every day and you're moving off, once in a while, we can do that. And for the 1K subscribers, we're getting to that as well. We can eat something like that. All right, so yesterday I forgot to show you that normally I take creatine every single day. I will link down below some creatine that I take. This one is from XXL, orange flavor. I mix this one between the orange flavor and the normal no flavor because the no flavor is like, I don't know, powder something flavor. It's not good. And this one, it's too medicine-like. So a mix between both is very, very good. Yesterday I was doing like a little scientific mix for creatine for me in this one, and then I have another one, let me show you, and this one. So I mixed it up both so that Ellen also have creatine every single day. All right, and I'm going to take some creatine today as well. So let me put, I just choose 1 scoop. 1 full scoop is around 6 grams. Okay, let me pour some water in it. You can see some. Okay, let's go. Let's taste it. All right, so it's 4 a.m.
I think. Yeah, 10 past 4. We just done with our training for the day. So we are making a recovery protein shake. It's just a normal protein shake with the flavor I don't remember. The thing is, normally it comes in a bag, but I don't like the bag, so I put it in this like jar or something, this plastic jar when of another protein shake that I had before, because I really don't like the bags, but then I don't remember which flavor it is. And I can try to remember which one it is, but pistache! Yes, pistache. That's the flavor I'm drinking today. So, pistache, I think 25 grams, 30 grams of the shake with some milk, and that's it. And I'm trying also to eat a lot more fruits during the day instead of craving snacks or something like that. So, I saw some sliced pineapple, so I'm gonna eat some. To be honest, fruit is really, really good. And when it's like fresh, it's just amazing. And the good thing about fruit, again, is that it has not much calories, depending on the fruit, I know. But this type of fruit, apples, pineapples, oranges, are not very dense in calories and are very good for after your workout to recover better. Last thing I wanted to tell you is that you need to keep it simple. I'm prioritizing protein in every single meal, but other than that, I really try to balance everything out, to have a balanced meal every single time. Depending on my workouts, if I'm doing a back-to-back or a long run, I might eat a little bit more, but if I'm just doing an easy run or if I'm just going for a normal workout, I might eat less than those other days. I'm not counting calories, I'm not counting macronutrients, I'm just aware of what I'm eating. And if I feel hungry, I really think, is it hungry or do I just want a snack or something like that? Am I just craving something? And if it's the case, as you saw, I'm just trying to eat more fruits because fruit doesn't have a lot of calories and it fills you up. So with that said, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got more insight how we can perform better and eat as simple as possible, and see you next time. So don't forget to move, grow and evolve. Let's get jacked together.